Welcome back, everybody. I am MIMS. We're going to be doing some more engineering today. We're going to get back into it. I've got a lot of work I've got to get going. Yeah, we're going to do some 3D printing. We're going to do some modeling and some CADing. And yeah, we're going to be using Microsoft. I'm sorry, Microsoft. We're going to be using Fusion 360 today, and we're going to finish building my lithophane lamp that I've been working on for years and years and years and years and years. So this is where we're at today. I finally finished this plug. This is going to go in place here, and that's going to cap this spot. That's going to have the plug run through. So oh, that's good. That's good. Good morning, Allison. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. If y'all are interested, come on over to the YouTube side. You can actually see me. You can see what we're working on. Oh, shit. I knew I forgot something. Damn it. Crap. Oh, well. I'll be all right. Yeah, it does need to be expanded. Yeah, it's already illegal. You know what's interesting? After I said everything that I said to Mikey, he ghosted. He just disappeared. Didn't even say anything. Ken, what's up, friend? How are you? I'm actually live on YouTube right now. So, yeah. All right, so first things first, we are gonna let's see, we're gonna end up having to 3D print this, but the let's see. That's gonna have to go trash. And then if I have that cut there, I can end up having, it'll be 0.125 tolerance. I think that would work. Cheryl, good morning. How are you, friend? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, this is standard. I mean, it's kind of not surprised. So, you know, it's is I guess. Cheryl, have you ever done any CAD or solid editing like this? I'm currently in Fusion 360 doing some modeling. The full lamp, when it's done, excuse me, will look like this. This is the finalized lamp. This is the revision 2. So the revision 1 is actually right here. This is the first revision. Actually, this is kind of the second revision. But this is the first finalized first revision. As you can see, it's got the hole there. It works. It works. It's nice. It's neat. But how can I ship this? This thing is like the size of my head. How am I going to ship this? It doesn't make any sense. I can't. Not without spending like 15, 25 bucks. It's ridiculous. It's huge. So I need to find a way of compressing it down and condensing it. That way I can ship it globally. Because the end result is to be able to ship it globally. No, not at all. It's a lot of fun. It's a big ass learning curve, but it's a lot of fun. So what I ended up doing here to solve the problem, now that I have this bamboo printer, and the tolerance I found out is we work in millimeters. So the tolerance on the bamboo printer, I can create a hole, I can create a donut, and then the donut hole, and the tolerance, the air in between the inner rings of the donut and the donut hole has to have a spacing of 0.125 millimeters. That's a tight tolerance. That's a very tight tolerance. So, Bearded Truth, what's up, my friend? How are you? So, that's an extremely, extremely tight tolerance. So you'll see here, once it's selecting the planes here. Let's see if you can see that. You see there's a gap a little bit. That gap is that tolerance that I just told you all about. So, I have the lid part, right, that can be 3D printed. I have the top part that will fit onto these 4 posts, and I still have to edit the top part a little bit. And then I have these 4 individual posts, and then at the bottom I have the base, and then this little insert here. And all of it should fit together. I've never done it, and we're going to go along this journey together. Yeah. Yep. So first things first, we're going to print this little tiny little nothing part. Let's see. Cord plug, I guess. And if it's the first revision, I always call, I'm sorry, if it's the first model, I always call it revision 0. Because there's been no revisions, and then when you come back to it because there's an issue, I always classify it as revision 1 because it's the first revision, and then when I make another change, then it's revision 2, and so on and so forth. All right, so first things first, this is going to go on here. Let's see. Ta-da! Yep, that's the exact orientation I need. We're gonna slice it on the mini. Slice 12 minutes. 12 minutes. It takes 7 minutes and 18 seconds to print, and it takes 5 minutes and 34 seconds to set up. Cool. All right, so do I have red plugged in? I do have red. Let's plug it in red, send it, and then while this is sending, I'm going to go ahead and print the. I'm going to set up the other one to print. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. I don't know about y'all, but it's hot as shit today here. A size 12 beading needle wouldn't fit in that tolerance. I don't know what that is. Is that a small needle? I don't know what that is. Yeah. Hey, Jill, how are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. You know what's crazy is that 0.125 millimeters is equal to 125 micrometers, and hair can be as thick as 181 micrometers. So it's thinner than a slice, then one strand of hair. That is the small size needle we use to make earrings. That's cool, lass. That's cool. Hey, Shelly, how are you? Good to see you, friend. We're live on YouTube right now. We're doing some solid modeling and stuff. Okay, so the cord plug is done. We're gonna rename this one. Just the what? We'll name that one main base. Okay, export. All right, the main base is done. Now we need to do the posts. We're going to export the posts. Now we need to do the top. The top's not quite finished. Let's see. What do I need to do to finalize this? Let's see. All right, so I'm going to have to... That was the second beetle I've seen in the house. I don't know if it's the same beetle. That's a big-ass beetle. Crazy. You're having a down day? Oh, no. I'm sorry, Idaho. Hope you have a better day, friend. Yeah, we love you. Fill the chat with hearts for Idaho. Let's make it a better day. Now, I'm not telling you to do this, but I'm also telling you to do this. Go hydrate. So much love. So much love. Go take a day. Go take a day. Go do your favorite thing. See if that helps. Oh, those beautiful hearts. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the support that all y'all give each other. It's really nice. It's really nice. Okay, so that's going to go there. And that's going to go... Can we fucking select, please? CAD? This is gonna make me shit a brick. I'm gonna shit a brick. Bricks inbound. Not really, but like, just click the fucking point, please. I gotta undo all this garbage. Oh no. We love you, Idaho. We're here if you ever need chat. He's goody. You get screamed at for a living? You gotta be in customer service. You gotta be in customer service. That's so sad. Nobody should be subjected to being screamed at for a living. That's just sad. I wish companies protected their employees more, but here we are. Yeah. I have not been in customer service in a very long time, and I'm fairly certain that I would be absolutely fired. Long time. You've... Can we not pick that plane, please? Nope. Can we get rid of this plane? Can I hide? That's not what I needed. I want hide. Aha! Hidden. And then hidden? Yay! Okay. Happy little MIMS noises. Ah, shit. Unhappy MIMS noises. You kicked me out of the sketch, damn it. Rejoin the sketch. Do as I say. Fucking... Really? Can we please rejoin the sketch? Why can't I rejoin the sketch? Oh my god. That's weird. That's very weird. But whatever. Okay, so now I can select all these pieces. And we're going to extrude up all the way through. God, I have a lot of... Okay. The top one. So we're going to extrude up all of these. Through all that. Oops. I forgot. That's what I needed to do. I forgot. Okay, there we go. Okay. So on my original lamp, I ended up doing these little corner things, and that way it'll seat. Just like that. I'll put these little nibs, whatever you want to call them, on here. And it works well. But I don't need them, is the thing. So if I end up, let's see, having it go down and then join, make sure it doesn't go all the way through. Okay. And then let's ensure that we got all of it. Yep. Because I couldn't go through it all because it would have messed up that insert. So if I do that, And my print is done. All right, we're gonna extrude all the way through all of it. Whoops, I missed this one. That one too. Cut. It should cut. Yep, perfectly all the way through. And should be good there. Now then. I hope all my tolerances is right, because there is no forgivable room for any fuck ups. There is no forgivable room. Here we are. Here we are. Oofa. All right, so the next thing we need to do is add my main base, because I think the main base is done. So the main base is done, and I'm going to go over here, and we're going to add... Let's see, what's this one called? Cord plug. Hey, it worked. Okay, so this is the little cord plug. And then we need to add another one here. That's going to be the main base. But we're going to put that on a... Let's see, center that. Center that. And then let's see how much this... Let's see. 2 hours? Dude, that's not bad at all. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, no need for a prime tower. Don't think we're going to need any support here. Everything should be printed without support. It's a big moment for me, y'all. It's a big moment. All right, we're gonna print it in. That's the wrong. Oh no, that is the right one. A1 mini. Yeah. Whoops. All right, so the A1 mini is gonna be printed in. I don't think I have any black loaded into that printer. Gray is gonna have to do. Gray's gonna have to do. So, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Hope all is well, man. Okay, so this thing is printing. This is what we had just printed in my pocket, which I can't find. Global Hog Simp. Dude, so I got the Bamboo Mini and the A1 Mini and the A1, and I found out the tolerance of the parts that I can generate. I have to leave an air gap of 0.125 millimeters. I am throwing away, I'm literally today giving my old Enders that I love as a gift to the local library. I just bought the A1 Mini maybe 3 weeks ago, and I got the A1, and it is amazing. Amazing. So the A1, let's see. It was like 570 after taxes. But look, I just popped this off. Look at that. No brim, no nothing, dude. Shipped California. Made overseas, shipped in California. Bamboo's not an American thing. Crazy, dude. This PLA, just standard PLA. Bamboo A1 Mini printing in the 3D Fuel 3D print. Oh! I even got another thing for you. Look. So, TikTok, this is plastic. It's not real. It's a fucking comb, okay? But look, this was all printed on the A1 Mini. Well, sometimes it has errors because it is plastic, but are you fucking kidding me? You can print everything. You can print everything if you have an enclosure. It does PETG, it does PLA, does ABS, it does everything. Everything is a complete full steel hot end, I think. It's pretty fucking cool. Oh, this came off the A1 Mini. The eyes were all printed in one piece. The teeth were individuals in a solid tray of white filament. But the eyes were printed with the black part of the head here. Have ya? Do they? Oh no, yeah. Yeah, it's amazing. Isn't that cool? So cool. Oh, and I printed these. I'm going to be giving these out for Mother's Day. Mom. Isn't that cute? So cute. You want one? I can hook you up. All right, so I'm going to send this to print. I thought it already was printing. Why hasn't it printing? Is it not printing? Oh, yeah, I had to load filament. What did I load it in? I loaded into number 1 spot. Print. The speed that these printers print out at is redonkulous. Yes, redonkulous. I said it. Trade me? I could probably hook you up. I'm down with some barter. All right, the next one we're going to do here is it's probably going to be the posts. Yeah. It's a chunk. They are, but their prices are expensive. But it just comes with an enclosure, and you know, honestly, if you run through PLA, I mean, I think you could get by with a little dehydrator for your plastic. Pins? I'd love to see what you got. Love to see what you got. Mountain King in the house. What up, dude? Okay. Center. Slice. Hour. Just an hour. Dude, I can't. I'm still fucking beside myself. One of these 3D prints. Do you know how long this would have fucking taken me on my ender? On one of my enders? This thing probably would have taken 9 hours? Maybe 10 hours? 9, 10 hours? Just bought an A1? Really? Yeah, the quick change extruder's fantastic. Yeah, manga. That's funny. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mountain King! What up, dude? Holy shit. It's hot as fuck, huh?
Trying to get mom's shit done.
Yeah. You picked a hell of a hot day, bro.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's just like really like weird on my end for some reason.
Oh.
You know, fucking glistening bitches. Look at all the fucking Republicans pass by. Oh, Republicans. Republican? Look at that guy. That guy's definitely a Republican.
Yeah. Definitely.
I'll show you what I did. I've been trying to get to mom's house, but it keeps raining. It's about to rain now, as you can see.
Oh yeah.
It's about to fucking storm the mess off. So this is all I got done today. This is all I got done today. Look at that, boats and hoes right there. Boats and hoes. That's all I got done.
Dang, man.
As you can see, it's high. It's high as hell, as you can see, and it's thick as fuck. And I had to use on this part, I can't use my riding lawnmower. It's too steep.
Too steep?
May not seem like it, but I can't go past where that trailer is right there. I can't go past that on my fucking riding lawnmower.
Oh, really?
Unless I put like chains on it or something. But
yeah.
I might put chains on my wheels.
Yeah. That's scary.
I was just popping in for a second. I'm going to get back up to the house, and I'll probably have a better reception when I get up there. I love y'all. Just wanted to stop by, say hey. I'll be back for y'all in a minute.
Sounds good.
Hey everybody, I love y'all. It's a chat. Love you guys. I'll be back here in a minute. I'm gonna go get unhot. Look at that Muppet Republican. There he goes. I always say that to him. Hey Republican. wave at him and say that shit.
He way back. Hey, Democrat.
I'll be back, y'all. Let me get up here. I know, right? I already got 4,000 steps in.
Nice.
Walked more than almost 2 miles today. Let's go. I'll be back in a second.
That's only halfway for your lawn, too, man. Jesus, you got a lot more. Much love, man. It's good to see you.
Oh, fuck. I'm a boomer.
Ooh. We got a... Oh, whoop. Okay. Much love, brother. Man, you picked a hell of a day to work outside. It is too early in the year for my ass to be sweating that much outside. I do, however, think I need to go checking on the sugar snap peas. We're probably gonna have to start pulling them this weekend. So. Yo! What up, dude? How you doing, man?
Oh, man. It's been a while, huh?
Been a little while. How have you been?
Busy, man. Like, working and nuts. I don't get to chill in the airport much lately. It's been, like, just, I don't know. Like, I usually used to have a bunch of breaks between flights and shit. I just haven't. So
Really?
I never get on TikTok anymore.
Oh, gotcha.
But, yeah, no, I was telling her, like, because I've been kind of working on her, like, hey, we should be looking at these bamboo printers, blah,
Yeah.
blah, because, like, keeping the fleet running has been, like, such a problem.
Yeah.
And so you just told me that, and I'm like, that's why I was asking you how much it costs.
Yeah.
And I texted her, I'm like, after tax, it's blah, blah, blah. She sends me a screenshot of the website, and I'm like, yeah, that one.
Yeah.
And then I said, you go come through about some sort of payment plan setup. And
Uh-oh. Dude, if you actually...
Here comes the email from Bamboo Labs US that is kind of email.
Yeah.
I think she's just
Dude.
following.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, I'm not even sponsored by them, but I think you're going to love it. You know how much...
I thought the A1 was the cantilever one, like the Ender 2. But no, the A1 is like a full, like Prusa style.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because the A1 and the A1 Mini, they're sort of like the two that popped out. I actually ended up getting them both. The A1 has a bigger bed than the Ender, because the Ender is like 230 something. This is 256. It's 256 squared. So.
Squared, okay.
Yeah.
So a Prusa is 250 by 210 or 215. So it's wider than it is deep, right?
Yeah.
It looks like on the A1 they just went ahead and made it square.
Yeah.
Which is cool, whatever.
Yeah.
So the Mini is the one with cantilever, which is what an Ender 2 is. I don't know
Yeah.
if you ever saw an Ender 2.
Yeah, with just the arm standing free without the other brace. Yeah. Yeah, the A1 has the two braces. It's got the top bar, and then it's got the cross that'll Z up and down as well. But yeah,
It's funny that it's all like multi-material and stuff, because we ain't gonna use none of that shit.
they've come a long way, and this only launched last November.
If we can put multiple rolls of the same stuff, will it just switch rolls if it runs out?
You might have to program it in the slicer, because you can slice it where you can go layer by layer. But I'm fairly certain there's a setting where it'll say, hey, if it runs out, just switch to the next roll.
See, that's what we'd like to be able to, because it looks like it's like 4.
Yeah, 4 rolls. Mm-hmm.
If we could just put 4 rolls of the same material on there and just have it switch whenever it runs out.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
That's how you do it. Like,
Yeah.
Because that's like, I come home from being out of town and she's like, I got a bunch of rolls I need you to switch. She can't do it herself.
Sure, yeah.
It's like, how do you do this? Like, I got these many rolls I need you to switch.
Mm-hmm.
These toilets need to be clean.
Yeah.
That sort of thing.
Yeah. Yeah. I love it. I've been having a
because
ball.
the idea of coming home and working on 3D printers,
It's no longer exciting.
not at all.
Yeah.
I have a kit. I have a box with a Prusa Mark III's kit in it that I have had for 3 years because I don't want to put it together.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it takes like two or 3 days of solid work, like to put together one of these printers. Like I don't want to do that.
I had a print. I sent my print on my my mini, and it was going to be done in about 50 minutes. And I was like, sweet, that's going to give me plenty of time. The only thing it does, right? I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear it? It does this vibration thing where it cancels out the motor vibration, but it has to run through this 5-minute setup every time, which is okay. It's just slightly annoying. But the prints come out flawless, so I'm okay with it. Anyway, so I had my print running, and I got my A1, and I was like, all right, sweet. Start untaping the box, the print's running, and I'm done assembling the A1 before my print's done.
Yeah, time to assemble is a big deal for me. Like, that's like, I tolerated the Enders because I can put one of those together in about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
But, like, some of these printers you give them, and it's just like, holy shit, like, I got hours to
Yeah.
get everything together.
Nope.
And a bunch of tuning and all kinds of other crap. Like, I don't want to do all that.
Nope. Do you have a minute? You gonna be sticking around for a few?
Yeah.
Give me 1 minute. I'm gonna show you something. I haven't broken this out in a long time, but since you're here, I'm gonna show you something. Be right back. Okay. Sorry, that was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be to get it out. Okay. I gotta travel.
was stamped steel and stuff, though. It wasn't wood, but it was like not nice either. You know?
Yeah.
For a couple $100, but that thing took like 3 days to put together. Like it was wild how much assembly there was. Like every little thing had to be put together. Like, the only thing to be made was like the stamped steel frame, you know, and like sheet metal kind of, and it would look pretty much exactly like that, but metal. And that's what got me in as well. And it was not an all metal hot end or anything like that, so I quickly learned the challenges involved with all of it. That's why, like, now it's easy because like people ask me, how do I get a 3D printing? I'm like, buy this.
Yeah.
You know, I just say like, buy it, buy it for yourself, buy a whatever, and you're good. Like, use their software, and you'll never have to worry about it. But
And they got YouTube University for 3D printers now. It's like 5 years, 10 years down the road, like ago, there was a few.
there was shit. No.
You go on Reddit and read forums and shit.
Yeah, and I was writing Python scripts to like to like edit G code. And post processing of the code.
Yep.
So that's easy to verify. Like,
That motherfucker takes the 3mm filament. The 2 point whatever 8 or
285.
yeah 285 yeah.
Yeah, like I've never had one of those printers, but I've always I like large format stuff, and I've got a big ass. I've got a T-Rex 3, and it's 400 millimeter bed, so it doesn't fit on camera. It's huge.
Yeah.
And it's broken. But if it were working, it can print huge stuff. Like it's 400 by 400 by 700.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah, so like if it's set on the floor, it's like.
Yeah. So I got the Ender.
But it's 175 filament.
Yeah.
Which means it's slow as hell. Like if it's gonna print.
I think it has something to do with the melting process.
Well, it's just a volume, right? So if you think about the feed rate of an extruder, and like a realistic feed rate for an extruder might be 10, 15 millimeters per second tops.
Yeah.
Right? Even if you have like the most badass hot end. Okay, but in 175, that's only so many cubic millimeters per second versus in 3mm, where it's way bigger because the film is way bigger.
Yeah.
That's what it comes down to.
I did have fun. I mean, they do offer different nozzle sizes. I'm not quite sure if Bamboo Labs has a 1mm nozzle, but that would be fucking cool. Be cranking out boxes and stuff.
You run into thermal limits of how fast it can melt it.
Yeah.
Because I printed with some of those big nozzles, and they are fun.
Yeah.
Obviously, layer lines are an issue.
Oh yeah, but that's kind of the fun too. If you're going to be printing at 1mm nozzle sizes, you kind of want the chunk versus like 0.2mm sizes, which is just
The smallest I've ever printed with was I had a 0.3 for a little bit on one printer, and man, you could print some really fine stuff with that. But it was real slow.
Real slow.
Yeah. So,
I think I
start worrying about like, is the slot in my Z screws too loose? Because that variance starts to become an issue with the layer thickness. Because if it doesn't, you have to do this thing where you have to go whenever you do a lift for an extraction, you have to go way up and you come way back down.
Yeah.
Because you want to make sure that it settles the same way every time. Like, you get into all these like physics problems whenever you get that small.
You really do.
It's like, who's got time for that? Not for hobbyists, maybe, but for production, no way in hell.
Yeah.
I don't got time for that.
That's why I like these new A1 Bamboo. Like look at the quality on these. Like look at this. Like, are you fucking kidding me? And then this was the print bed size.
Like, some people treat 3D printing as a beauty contest, and that part right there won't win a beauty contest. That part right there is perfectly good for a functional part.
Yeah.
That's all I want.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
I want to be able to just take the damn thing out of the box and do that.
I don't know. I think this might win a beauty contest. I mean, you be the judge when you get it, but
That is good. Gray is cheating a little bit, but yeah, that is good.
okay. Well, fuck your gray here. Here, that's green.
Well, then you got organic shape in that cheese too. But no, I'm kidding.
Jesus fucking Christ! Fine, here. Here.
It's all about the big cheese, dog.
It's fun though, man.
Have you ever printed some like variants of the big cheese that people made? Like there's a battleship big cheese.
Yeah, there are. Yeah.
Some of those are funny.
They're funny.
They got little rotatable turrets on it. So.
Yeah. Have you seen the cursed benchies?
I don't know.
No, they have cursed benchies too.
What's
And
cursed about it?
They just look spooky, I guess. I don't know.
I've seen like the shipwreck ones and stuff like that. One time I printed one that I can't believe I lost it. We left it at a house when we moved, but I printed one that was like this big.
And this.
That actually floated. That's printed?
3D printed, man. I have to.
Painted or multi-material?
Multi-material.
Oh, it's a lift vein. Wow. Okay.
Well, it's just 0.2 millimeters thick. But
Is that on the A1?
yeah.
Wow.
Even this one too. I like this one. Hippity hoppity.
How big are the purge towers for those though?
I don't have any on my desk because my son steals them. But yeah. It does have quite a bit of purge, but every time you're getting into 3D printing and you're switching filaments, it's gonna have a purge.
It's always a lot.
Yeah, it's always a lot.
I used to, we have it's packed away somewhere now, but I have a Palette 2 Pro that is always, it's a ton of purge.
Well, that's it. Just standard speed.
Yeah, that's good. It's crazy. I have a direct drive printer with linear rails for less than $600.
I know. Tenshi!
Yeah, she has bought 2 of them, apparently. She just told me she bought 2.
Which ones did y'all get? The A1 or the A1 minis?
2 A1s.
Nice. Yeah,
She
dude.
has one small build plate. She wants as big a build plate as she gets.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I think that this is going to be sort of where I leave it. You're welcome to hang out up here. I'm going to be switching over. I got to do some engineering work. Yeah. I think you're going to like it, man. I love me the A1s. I've had 2 clogs. One of them fixed itself, and then the other one, I didn't notice it because it was in the middle of a print. And it just pushed its clog through. And then the other one was a clog and it had to do a cold purge, but that's super easy. This faceplate you just pop out, and then you get some pliers or something, and then you grab the whole hot end and you pull it out, and then you grab another set of pliers and you pull the filament out, and you're good to go. But the whole thing can be swapped out and just this is wild.
Is that the result of the filament change, though? You think?
No, it's the result of having a dog. Yeah, it's just dusty. Dogs, kids. Yeah. I use 3D Fuel for my filament. It's a USA-based company. You know, yeah. I haven't had any issues with their filament, except for one time, and that was a very long time ago. So, you got a project to show? Sweet.
We're all oversure these days.
Oh yeah.
Keep eyes on the rank and bulk.
Overture, nice.
Hi everybody. Hi Global Hawks. Long time no see.
Yeah,
Hey.
girl, how you?
Good. Busy. Very busy. If it's not D&D, it's something else. But yes, Cat, give me updates. So I had a project that I started yesterday at 1, and it said it was going to take like 15 hours.
Ooh. Where do you put the dice?
In the head.
Oh, that's cool.
And then
That's
it comes
cool.
out here.
That's
It's really
cool.
pretty. So it zigzags on the inside,
Yeah.
and then it comes out via this end.
Nice.
It blew my mind that Romans had dice towers.
That's still fucking.
Isn't that
You
wild?
leave it to the gods, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, to make sure they wouldn't cheat at their games and stuff. I'm like, ah.
We have one that's a castle tower. That's
Yeah.
like printed in like rainbow PLA.
Nice.
This is
Yeah.
actually for a player. She's 11. She's not playing currently,
Yeah.
but she wants to play.
That's cool.
Is actually the people that we play at their host's daughter, and she plays a wildfire druid.
Ooh. Okay.
So yeah, her spirit is her little spirit companion is a fox, a little kitsune, nine-tailed fox. So that's why I was like, ooh, this is fucking great. Like, it's a multi-tailed fox, but nonetheless, it's still really pretty. And I'm like, this is the copper filament that I got in yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, from Creality. So
Nice.
really fucking happy with this. I know Cloverfox should be here for this. I did post it up, I think, in the 3D print, but I didn't post it in the finished product. And so the supports for this side was like all over the place. I freaked out this morning. Just woke up and I was like, oh no. But the supports on this side were absolutely fine. Yeah, this side was a complete fucking mess, and I almost cried this morning when I woke up.
Oh
Because it would
no.
have finished. Yeah, it would have finished when I signed into work and everything, but it finished beforehand. And yeah, no, yesterday the supports were clicking.
Oh, that makes me so nervous. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh my god, don't fail.
I know it was clicking while it was putting the supports in back here. But so much butt talk.
That's what you like, though. So.
I can't help it if Moisty Buttholes sit into the conversation.
Here we go.
Here we go.
It's not tension line unless Moisty Buttholes gets brought in. Right?
It's been like a year and you're still talking about that.
Well,
She's moved on to other things now.
I have moved on. Because, Lynn's obsessed with milking tables.
See, I knew you were gonna bring it up. Why do you always say I'm obsessed, but I'm never the one to talk about it? Make that make sense.
Like, how many times before? You brought it up, like, what, 3 times in an hour?
When?
Is that for him or her?
Him,
Yes.
Mims.
It's for
Yes,
both.
Mims brought it up.
It's for both.
Okay.
I mean, I ain't gonna knock it,
Interesting.
but whatever.
I mean, I haven't tried it, so I can't knock it.
Yeah, me either.
I haven't tried it either.
Ooh, see, okay, so here's a cool little feature. Global Hawk, I didn't add any rubbing alcohol, and I noticed that one right there on that I'm sorry, that one's not sticking on the farthest one. So what you can do is you can go on your app and you can pause that one from printing.
Really?
So it'll stop printing that one, and it'll just continue on with the other ones. So let's see.
Wait, rubbing alcohol on the thing?
On the bed
Yeah.
to help clean it in between actual cleans, yes.
Oh,
For PEI sheets, it makes them a little more porous and sticky.
Yeah.
I have not been doing that.
It also it'll get rid of the oils on the bed. I always recommend people use Dawn to clean it off every couple of prints. But if your fingers have oil or you have lotion or whatever on your fingers, it can also make it not adhere. So rubbing alcohol.
PLA also excretes certain organic oils when it prints, so it builds up over time.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's less of an issue. Less of an issue with PET G. Actually, you have to worry. A lot of times, you have to worry about PET G sticking to it well.
So if you're going to be doing PET G on these as well, from what I hear, you need to use Windex for these if you're going to be doing Pet G.
Yeah.
But I don't do Pet G, so that's for mines outside of mine. I don't have any enclosures, so I don't do that.
PG doesn't need any motor.
Oh, really? Oh, cool.
No, PG, it burns a little hotter than PLA, and it's a lot stronger. It's a lot more pliable. So PLA tends to be really brittle.
Yeah.
And PG's a lot less brittle. But yeah, you don't need an enclosure for that at all.
Oh, gotcha.
Bed temperature of about 85 usually, and print between 230 and 240 generally.
Nice.
Is good.
That's cool.
Oh, I also made this with the copper thing as well.
Oh, that's cute too.
It's just a
Yeah.
little sign. It's really cute. I was like, I'm gonna go put this on my front door.
Hell yeah.
Fucking cute. And it's with the copper one as well. So I love the dynamics of it. And then the other filament that I got, the one that was opening yesterday, it's just matte black and white.
Yeah.
Because Socialist likes pandas. So I figured I'd go and find a panda for him. I'd print that out and then paint it for him, and then so he can have it at work and whatnot.
That's cute. Yeah.
So, matte filament sometimes you have to burn them a little hotter just to be aware of that.
Yeah.
Get them to stick.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever additive they add to make them matte instead of shiny tends to make them not adhere to themselves as well. So you basically usually end up having to increase the temperature like 5 or 10 degrees to get them to stick.
Okay. I was all like, that's not so bad.
Yeah, no, it looks cool, but you just gotta be aware of that. Same for silk. A lot of silk, some of what you're putting there is silk.
Yeah, the silk stuff too.
The silk and matte,
And I get
but
silk.
matte tends to be a little worse. But like layer adhesion becomes an issue.
Luckily, it's I think it's Ender PLA. So hopefully considering the product, hopefully it would be better.
I mean, it's like Creality filament is made by the lowest bidder editions in China, so it could be made by anybody, honestly.
Okay, yeah, it is Creality. Well, here temp 190 to 220, so I guess we'll have to figure it out.
Yeah, on my enders, I usually ran them around 220, but that was specific to mine. I mean, it might. I went through a lot of testing to figure out what's the optimal temperature too. So
We have to run 215 or 220 on our end just to keep sticking in the hot end.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's not really about the filament, it's about the hot end.
Yeah. The extruder and hot end and stuff.
I have a friend who has a resin printer, and they're like, hey, it's just sitting in the garage, not really doing anything. Send us some STL files and we will print it out for you. And I was like, oh, that's fucking great.
Oh yeah.
Get somebody else to do the work.
Yeah.
I mean, they bought it because they have a D&D club at their school. So they work at a junior high school. They work at a school for kids older than 12. And so it was just like, oh, well, that's cool. And they just they don't really play. And I'm all sitting here like, dude, I have modules for days. Like, do you want them? So I'm actually gonna bring it today because I get to see them.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, no, so he's like, they're not doing anything with it, and it's just sitting in the garage. So, yeah, he offered it while at D&D.
So are you getting a resin printer?
No, I'm borrowing their resin printer.
Oh,
and
gotcha.
Then I was like, it was really funny because I was like, dude, I have so many STL files.
So
I was
here's
like, you're gonna receive so many STL files. So many penises. His wife is, or his girlfriend's sitting right next to him, and she's all like, how did I know you were gonna fucking say that?
mm-hmm.
Because it's me.
Yeah, of course.
Because it's me. Give me all the dicks.
Phrasing.
No, honestly, when I just said that, I saw somebody put up a gif of the girl with the hot dog, just like.
Oh yeah, uh-huh.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, it's always fun. I need to clean up shit. I need to do some work. I'm ADD brain for everything. I'm gonna make my workstation brighter.
Make it brighter.
I will. I have my thingy over here. I don't even know if it's attached. It's not attached. And I don't know where the fuck it is. Yep. How did that button? I don't know anymore. Okay. You know what? I just. My life is in shambles. Well, just at this moment. Yep. So many fun things, and I still have to prepare for D&D tonight as well.
Oh, do you? Are you? That'll be fun.
Yeah. It's a 2-hour module. It's 4 levels, I think 1 to 5.
Oh, that's
so,
fun.
It's gonna be fun.
All right, I'm gonna get back into the engineering here.
I'm just cleaning this up. Yeah, I've been using this to clean up everything.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Tenchi.
Like, it's been
Tenchi,
if
you need
not
one of
this,
you need one of these.
Right. If not this though, especially getting into like little tight spaces, and I bought this via a state fair. It's a lancing device.
Oh yeah.
Like it's super fine. Actually, I dropped this in the bathroom one time, and it stuck in the floor like this.
Yeah. Nice.
And it's bad enough too. Well, it's good that this is now for all of my stuff. Hi, Mama. How are you?
What up?
Yeah, it's a good thing that this is now my work little thing, because I'm a pimple popper.
Oh no.
I'm a popper, and yeah, now my husband gets out of it. He gets out of me using this on him.
Oh Lord. Momoa, what's up, my friend? How are you? Welcome. Ooh, leather working today.
I gotta make some calls. So
Cool.
I'll talk to you guys later.
Good to see you, buddy.
Nice seeing you.
Have a fantastic time.
Bye, thank you.
See you later.
Mindy! What's up, Mindy? Have a good one, buddy.
Hi, Mindy. Mindy, hold on, looky. Actually, both of you, look at what I made. It's a gorgeous ass dice tower. Oh, now I'm here. And it's so pretty in the light.
Is that the
Cat phrasing.
Yeah, it's not like
Yeah, I got it. This is the silk PLA, the copper.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and
What
it's a
brand
gorgeous.
is that?
Huh?
What brand is it?
Creality.
Creality. Okay, cool. Because I actually the project I'm working on right now, I can use that copper filament for some stuff. So
Yeah. It's just copper colored. It's not actually like copper, but yeah, no, this one is what I made too. It's also with the same filament. I was like, oh, this is pretty. So when people walk by, they're just gonna see all this prettiness. Hopefully, it'll keep shit also away from the. We have We have a bit of a fly problem in front of our front door when it gets warm, and they tend to come in. So hopefully this will detract them from coming into the front door.
I have a trick for you that I learned from someone. Paper bags from your from local grocery store. Wad one up, stuff it inside of another, and put it up in the corner like this. And other insects think of it as a paper wasp nest, and they stay away. I don't even have mosquitoes around here from it.
I mean, that would be nice. We are an apartment complex. We have an HOA. So I don't know if they'll allow us to have that up there. But like having things on our front door is okay. But I don't know. I guess especially if it looks like if it looks like it could be a problem. It may be a problem.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah. Yay, HOA. Fucking HOAs. Sorry, it's just that knowing the history of HOAs now, I'm like, that's why we hate them so much.
What's the history of them?
HOAs were meant to gatekeep communities.
Ah. I mean, that fucking makes sense.
Right? First it was racial. Actually, it's still racial at some point. Like, and then, of course, when the whole, like, fucking red movement, right-wing bullshit, you know, it turned out to be like, oh, you can't have those kinds of flags. But I can put my MAGA flag out. Luckily, that's not what it is like out here. I think they like to keep controversy out of the way, because I've not actually seen any flags like that around here. So, plus this community here is pretty much older people. So, sorry, I just took my hair down from having it up in a ponytail all night. Feels so good. I was like, y'all don't know. I have to have it up, otherwise it gets hot.
They tend to. I think I understand.
Oh yeah, you do. MIMS, you don't understand. Hashtag hair problems. Long hair problems.
Yep, I definitely don't understand that.
Well, and it's been raining here for the past week, and so it's humid, and they hit about 90. So.
Oh. Bless you. I'm so sorry.
And I'm outside in the garage working. Yeah, Cat, I know how that feels. I'll forget to take mine off before I put my helmet on to ride my motorcycle, and then next thing I know, my hair's all wadded up in a knot around it.
See, that's why I'm glad that my hair doesn't do that shit. And then if I do have it in a helmet, I make sure that it's in a bun. Like, and then I also use either scrunchies or the little the nose stuck hair ties. They feel like rubber silicone, but they don't stick. Ugh. But yeah, no, Cat, that's no bueno. I'm only speaking in Spanish because Oh, it's hair washing day. Yeah, that too. I also have to do that as well because also my hair color is fading. I know there's purple, but you can see it's not as vibrant as it used to be. Actually, you could tell here mostly in my bangs where it's like a lighter red than it is a purple. Actually, it's more of a pink. Hey, Pinky! Yeah, it's funny when especially when MAGA comes out and they're like, you purple-haired people, and I'm like, get a job. And I'm like, dude, how else do you think we afford this fucking hair color? Like, it is more than just buying purple shampoo to upkeep your fucking blonde. Like, it is color conditioner. It is, like, you have to bleach the hair. You have to go and color the hair. Like, it is so much more steps than fucking blonde bullshit. That's easy. Blonde bullshit is easy. Just, like, I get it for some, just, sorry, it gets the goat. Yeah, and being careful not to fry it. Luckily, depending on what kind of hair you've got, is, like, and especially the color actually puts, especially now, the color, that we use actually conditions our hair. And it's probably healthier than trying to keep and maintain the blonde. Like, the conditioner, the color conditioner I have, it's a conditioner, but it's also putting color back into my hair. Plus, it makes my hair look pretty, and it smells good. Look, it's purple everywhere. It's fun. Like, trying to, like, not splatter purple everywhere is probably the fun part. Yeah. No, Cat, you do whatever the fuck you want. Do whatever the fuck you want. That's because I'm now performing, and you know, I have to upkeep everything. I mean, at this point too, I'm also getting my lashes professionally done. Like, because I'm too lazy to put it on myself. But I have short lashes, so it just helps and supplements. It also helps and supplements, like, just my everyday life. I was in the grocery store last week. Some old dude in a scooter, like, looked at my face and was like, "You have the prettiest," like, the loudest voice. It was like, "You have the prettiest eyes," and I'm like, thank you. Like, I'm uncomfortable. I'm just trying to get a tomato and an onion. It's like, this is the attention I did not fucking need right now. I was like, thank you, and then I ran away.
And you ran away.
I ran away because I had the stuff that I needed, and I needed to go. That was it. That was all. Like, the fucking stories that I get to have when people pay attention to me and I don't want attention. It's so Mims, you saw it in the fucking in the Discord. I don't know if you saw it, Mama, but there was a dude yesterday who tried a message request to me.
Oh yeah.
And he came in and he was talking about, like, he was a right winger, and, like, I immediately called him out after, and I didn't know he had already messaged me or gave me a message request, and I was like, dude, It's so weird that you talk like this because I didn't have to go very far into your following list, you know, the people that you follow, to find a couple underage girls with your child in your profile picture.
Yikes.
He blocked me. He blocked me so hard. And the reason I know he blocked me is because I went onto my other account and I found his account. He's full. Yeah. What? What, Mama?
I said that's like a badge of honor, being blocked by somebody like that so immediately.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was the funniest shit. The fact that I called him out on it too. I hope he comes back. Because he's not blocked on MIMS.
Ugh.
He's
And I will
probably
bring up those
stalking
fucking
you right now in the comment section.
No, I think we need to talk about politics. Otherwise, he's just not going to be in here. I just thought it was the funniest shit. I was just like, whoa, what the fuck? Like, this is hilarious. It's hilarious. Oh, fuck. I don't know if I'm going to do any more printing today. That was a lot of filament. That was a lot of copper. Just.
How much did you burn through?
Half, maybe?
Yeah.
So, MIMS, you said that you use Fusion 360.
Yeah.
Do you use the free version, or are you paying for the full?
No, just the free version.
Okay. Because I've been using SketchUp and can't keep up with that. Yeah, subscription.
Yeah. I don't blame you. It's it gets expensive, but you know the free one works. There's a learning curve, but you know it's not terrible.
Yeah, just trying to find something that's going to be good for me to use to design and print stuff for my EV projects.
Oh yeah.
Because, you know, like, a couple of dash pieces and console pieces on this project. I'm 3D printing, just for weight savings and space savings.
Nice. Yeah.
So, but might get some progress.
Hell yeah.
Door panel done. Driver's door panel completed there.
Oh hell yeah, man. Good work.
Thanks. And I'm working on the passenger side right now, finishing it up, so that way I can finish up the console and get this thing out of here.
Is that a already sold thing? Like you make those for clients?
Yeah, that's a client vehicle already.
Ah.
Then my next one's gonna be it's gonna be my personal vehicle. I'm gonna do a couple of motorcycles also, but I have a '94 Nissan 300Z that is partially converted. That I'm gonna finish up. That's gonna be my personal car.
That's cool. That's over my head, buddy.
It's not too difficult. It's just got to know a little bit of mechanics and a little bit of electrical to be able to not electrocute yourself.
Sure, yeah.
High voltage.
Yeah, please don't. That would not be very appreciated. Yeah, no, my brother-in-law trying to fix my AC, or AC unit, and he was dealing with electric shit for a job. I guess he didn't forget, but he didn't put on gloves.
Oops.
And yeah, he shocked himself.
Hmm.
I'm like, dude, you're a certified mechanic. What the fuck?
It's like accidentally touching a spark plug. Momo, you only do that one time, don't you?
Yeah. It's one of those things where, yeah, you do it so often and get away with it that you let your guard down, and then
Yeah.
then you remind yourself, oh yeah, that's why I've been so careful.
I can't fucking do that. That hurt.
Yeah, women in the chat. This is the reason why women live much longer than men.
Yeah, probably.
Yes.
Thank you for the confirmation. The fuck?
Okay. Well, I mean, yeah. Again.
Ooh, pretty.
A. And Exhibit B.
Ooh.
Fast and faster.
So you got a crotch rocket and a
New Harley.
and a new Harley. Damn.
Yeah.
So literally like a cruiser and a speed car, like a race car. Like I don't. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's. I thought the Harley would slow me down, but it really didn't. I still go just as fast. I mean, plus, if you've ever been to Maryland and driven around the DC area, yeah.
Is it legal to split lanes?
Not exactly legal to split lanes.
Okay.
But in certain areas, the police just kind of look the other way.
Okay. The only reason I ask because I know here in California you can split lanes. You can, and then what's it called? There was oh my god, there was a dude on a Harley the other day, and I was watching him, and there was enough for him to split. And I was like, dude, you're on a fucking motorcycle, split the fucking lane.
Yeah.
So, yeah, no, I get trying to be cautious, but at the same time, I'm right behind him, and he's just all over the line. And I'm like, no, dude, just split the fucking lane and go, because I don't need you here to be doing all this shit. Like, I'm not even, so I have been on motorcycles. My husband has been on, rode them. I've been on back. I'm riding bitch. Because, you know.
We refer to that as riding backpack.
Oh, well, especially since I am a backpack. I mean, you guys have seen, what's it called, Socialist.
Hey, MIMS, you leave some gray matter on the floor?
Oh, My brain.
But yeah, no, I thoroughly enjoy it, but with the hubby's bad back and like socials wanting to get
Oh, sneezing fits, man.
Yep.
And this thing has 1 minute left, Momoa. That's it.
Damn, what are you printing?
These are the standoffs for my my part that I made here.
Oh, okay.
But it paused that last back one, and says 1 minute left.
Nice. What machine is that?
This is the A1.
Okay.
Look at that.
See, I'm on damn it. The 5 Plus, Pro.
Nice. Ender.
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing is ridiculously like. I mean, here, look at it. Look at this part.
Damn. That is.
This was the bottom.
Wow.
That's where the support was.
Yeah.
But like the quality is top tier, man.
Yep. What's your layer thickness?
0.2.
Nice.
Wait for this to cool a little bit. I'll usually take my my bed off of my printer, and then I'll put it on the cold counter. let it delaminate a little quicker.
Yep.
I want a slab of granite. That way I could just put it on the cold granite.
Sometimes I have a extra refrigerator right outside my office door because my office is in the basement, and sometimes I'll just, if it's a long print where it's got that, where the bed's really hot, I'll just take that and toss it in the freezer,
Oh hell yeah!
and then listen for the pop, and then it's like, all right, it's ready to grab.
Yep. All right, bed's back. Parts are done. So I needed 4 done, but I had a failure on 1, and I was able to pause it right in the middle of the print, which is nice. So I'm going to go ahead and reprint 1 piece. So I'm going to go back to here.
Oh, quiet, she's back.
Oh. What? Huh? Nothing.
what?
Nothing.
It was there, I couldn't resist.
I know, I get it. I need to eat. I need to fight. I haven't had breakfast yet, and I'm hungry. I could be hangry. I don't know. Who knows? No coffee? Fuck it.
Yeah,
That's
you
so.
West Coasters. We get
You West Coaster. Why
days
are they
have
all
over with
West
already.
Coaster in here?
My days about getting up and eating breakfast and.
I know, right?
I woke up 3 hours ago, and I still haven't eaten breakfast yet. My blood sugar's probably shit right now.
MIMS, is that measuring for auto leveling?
Yeah.
That what it's doing now? Okay.
Yep. And right now it's doing a little purge. It'll poop a little bit, but it does this little purge thing where it'll calibrate its own flow sensor. It's got its own flow sensor. It'll calibrate its own flow here, which is nice. This part is going to take 17 minutes to print, and it takes 5 minutes to set up.
It's always fun when it takes longer to set something up than it does to actually do it.
Yeah. Momoa, did you see the it's like a plastic, well, here, I'll show you. This was also off the 3D print too. So TikTok is plastic, it's all plastic, all 3D printed.
Oh yeah, the switch cone.
Yep, all plastic. Isn't that wild?
I remember seeing those at like the Pew Pew shows in Texas when I was a kid. Yeah, and they look like kind of like the butterfly knife ones too.
Yep. So now it does a calibration where it'll calibrate the motors, and it'll do this humming thing where it'll check all the frequencies. Okay.
Is that probing over sensors right now?
I'm sorry?
Are those sensors like magnet sensors towards the back that it's bouncing back and forth from?
Right now it's, you talking about those back there? Right there?
Yeah.
Those are just nozzle cleaners.
Oh, okay. So it's just cleaning the nozzle off before it starts to print?
Yep. Just doing a little configuration, make sure everything's clean and purged, and now it's gonna go. Huh?
Oh, it's auto leveling.
Yeah, auto leveling.
I'm getting this one octopus bug today. My power looks octopus bug. I keep on calling it a bug. I don't know.
So you need caffeine. That's one more side done.
right, cut. We are done. Yay.
I need all the fucking Catherines today. It's a bad
Hey, Momoa, I'm gonna mute you. You got an echo, buddy. Sorry, you got an echo.
just. Hi, DT bro. How are you?
Hey, what's going on, man?
So tired already. Though it's Wednesday. Just fuck. Fuck! Let me tell you how I really feel. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I'm so tired already. Put me out of my memory. Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort.
You're mixing Papa Roach and Linkin Park? Tenchi, get out.
Because I'm a medley person, okay?
You're a methy person?
Medley.
Oh.
Medley means that I'm linking two songs together.
Oh my god. Living the life of work, I hear you, bud. It's good to see you, man. I haven't seen you in a... Wow.
Me too. Oh, yes. There you go. It's called a mashup. Fuck you, Mims.
What?
It's called a mashup. Mash up these bitches.
Cat, it was called a fuck up. I'm just giving you a hard time, Tenchi.
I thank you. I just killed a fly with my hand too, so just FYI. Yeah, fucking. I got reflexes like fucking cats. Actually, it's better than a fucking cat. I'll be right back. We're gonna watch me.
Okay.
Is that the machine making that buzzing noise?
No, that was... I think that was Tenchi's doing something... I don't know. Not on my end.
I'm sorry.
And I won't ask Tenchi what it was.
No, it's honestly just it's life. It's fun. I'll figure it out. You know what it do. But I got my caffeine, got my breakfast. I got my Filipino breakfast, okay? This is called a bibingka. It is a little coconut with milk and it's a fucking pastry in, this is a banana leaf. So it's baked in it. And, yeah, no, I'm having that for fucking breakfast today. And I don't give a shit what anybody else says. Today's Wednesday. Yep, I have lashes and then D&D. I have to figure out my whole fucking schedule ahead of time. Otherwise, I will go absolutely crazy. Yay for me.
Uh-huh.
But it should have gone away by now. Like, all that fucking tea. And no, it's still there. I cough, like, when I lay down, I cough at night. It's so bad. Like, I cannot go to sleep.
Ugh, I'm so sorry, Tenchi.
Meh. Again, it's allergies. It's like the only thing that hates me is tree cum.
Yeah, if I leave my motorcycle outside overnight, it ends up being green in the morning.
Ew. Yeah, okay. Hold on. Actually, I'm also going to be drinking this today, too. This is Korean citron tea. It is, you can see all the stuff in it. It is lemon, rinds, honey, and this is fucking fantastic. Sweet meat of citron, fructose, sugar, citric acid. Okay, so maybe honey and salt and water are at the end. But still, I've been drinking this for the past, yes. I just get a little scoopful, put it in hot water, done. Actually, I'm gonna keep doing that today because I need to. Sweet meat. I know, it's so weird. Just today. I'm just trying to live my life today and do the things that I'm supposed to, and hopefully not eat this banana leaf at the same time. I love this. I love bibinkas, but trying to get the dry ass like banana leaf and not let anything fall everywhere else and not eating it. It's the worst part about this.
Oh no.
I mean, it does give satisfying crunch to pull it off, but again, it's really flaking off, and you have to take it. Yeah, you have to take them out. Otherwise, you get some extra crunch.
Extra
What is
crunch.
fresh? It's fucking good. Oh, hold on. Now I gotta show this. Let me peel it away.
Ooh.
This is so ASMR bullshit. But at the same time, I'm like, oh, watch this shit. Like, peel. So fucking sad.
Peely peely.
Ah. Huh?
Peely peely.
Peely peely. I'm not trying to, like, also drop anything into my coffee, too, because it's right underneath what I'm peeling. Oh, fucking shit. So it also has the coconut meat in it as well. If you guys ever get the chance to have Filipino fucking cooking, get it. Fucking get it. Especially desserts. And at the same time, I'm like, this is why I have diabetes.
Oh no.
No. So went to the south of the city where I live, and you know where I grew up. So there's a shit ton of Filipino shit. Restaurants there, and me and Socialist, because I have a D&D workshop that I do, like south.
Welcome back, Kat.
I was like, I'm gonna show you what a Filipino breakfast is like. He grew up with Filipinos, though he's never had a Filipino breakfast. I was like, that's a fucking shame. Because Filipino breakfast is the best. And, I ate everything, including the rice. And I was not supposed to.
Oh no.
Let's say my blood sugar went off the charts. I did not care. Because I also ended up getting another rice dessert that I fucking love. It's rice with coconut milk, coconut, and then brown sugar on the top. Mind you, it's a sweet rice dessert.
What's that? What's that sweet rice pudding? There's a sweet rice pudding that has like a lemon zest on top.
I don't know.
I don't know either. I didn't know if you were familiar with that.
Arroz con leche,
I don't know.
It shouldn't have a lemon on top if it's arroz con leche.
Well, it had like
More
a...
of a Spanish situation.
Oh, I don't know.
Might be Japanese.
It might have...
That too.
It might be Indian. Now that I'm thinking about it.
Or Korean.
Yeah.
Or it could have been... It could be a Korean.
Any of these
It could be
northern
Korean.
Asian
Yeah.
desserts.
I don't know. It was good. I always wanted to know what it was, but it was like years ago. It was good.
Like, where did you get it from?
It was at a wedding. It was like a they had like a buffet style food eatery thing. It was at their house. So I don't know. Who knows?
Do you remember the cultures that were involved?
It was an Indian, Asian. I think it was Indian, Asian, Polish blending family. So yeah.
It could be more Indian and Chinese.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, Momoa. I don't know.
Well, because lemons aren't usually a thing. Okay, so the closest thing, as far as I can think of, with rice and lemons are more of the northern, like the Eastern Asians that have that kind of citrus fruit. When you go
Gotcha.
further south, it turns into, funny enough, the kumquat family.
Oh, I
So,
gotcha.
When you open it up, could look like oranges. It could look like oranges on the outside.
Yeah.
Or it could look like limes. Or they could look like little mini limes. In the Philippines, they have something called calamansi.
Yeah.
When they do, it can vary from orange to green. But on the inside, it smells like a mandarin orange.
Really?
When you bite into it, it's like a lime. It's a sour lime.
Yeah.
We call that calamansi.
Honestly, it might have not have been. It might have not been a lime. They took some. It tasted like lime, but they grated the skin on top of it. So like they made it was like a cold rice pudding thing, and then they shaved whatever the green lime fruit type thing just on top as like a thing. They also had like a brown powder. I thought it was originally like nutmeg, but it definitely was not nutmeg. I don't know what it was, but it was good. So I didn't think it was rice either at first, and I was like, oh, that's a different taste than I thought.
Also tapioca.
I do love me some tapioca.
It could be a tapioca.
There's a lot of different types of tapioca, so I don't know.
Considering the boba culture
Yeah.
in Asia. Actually,
Well, this was also like 10, 15 years ago. It was right before my wife and I got married, so.
Boba culture actually started in Taiwan.
Yeah. That's cool.
And it got really huge throughout Asia. So, just a little tidbit for everybody there.
Nice.
As we talk about food, as I'm eating.
I love me some boba. Not all the time. Not all the time. But sometimes I like boba. It's okay.
So, for those of us who have to watch their blood sugar, crystal boba does not bring our blood sugar up.
Really?
It's agar with whatever sugar that they have, and it's not too bad. The texture's a little different. It's not as chewy, but I enjoy it. It's the only way I can there's a place, and I miss it. And sometimes I'll just get it just to get it. There's a place here called Bober Tea that sells stir-fried boba in brown sugar.
I don't know
So
if
it tastes like coffee
Yeah.
without the coffee.
Hmm.